Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda HR-V key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key retracts. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You'll hear a small click as the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, ensuring you don't force it to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they click securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately to confirm it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your car doors. If everything functions as expected, you're all set. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.